Grinder safety. When using a grinder, you should always wear PPE. PPE consists of goggles, a full-face shield, gloves, coveralls, and steel-toe boots. Before using the grinder, inspect the condition of the grinding wheel. The tool rest should be 1/8 of an inch away from the disc. If the disc needs to be dressed, use the dressing wheel to dress the discs. Make sure you adjust the tool rest back to 1/8 of an inch after dressing the discs. When turning the grinder on, stand to the side to avoid the risk of debris flying off the disc. When grinding, don't use the edge of the disc, use the full face of the disc. Place the piece of steel or whatever you happen to be grinding on the tool rest and move it side to side. When turning off the grinder, wait for it to come to a full stop before leaving.